In this quick tutorial, we will see how to connect a Namecheap domain into Shopify store. So let's begin with the tutorial. First, log into your Shopify store, and to connect the custom domain, click on setting. After that, scroll down, go to domains, and then we need to, after that, click on connect existing domain. You can also purchase the domain directly from Shopify, but we are connecting the Namecheap domain. Click on connect existing domain, and then we need to go back to Namecheap. After that, scroll to the domain that you want to connect, and this is my domain. I want to connect inside my Shopify store. So I'll copy that and put www dot then the domain name.com, then click next, and after they will give us some instruction, but the instruction that we need, I will be put them in the description, so check this out. Then go to your domain, click on manage, make sure we have this selected Namecheap basic DNS, then click on advanced DNS, scroll down, and if we find any of those available here, click on the delete button and delete those record, because we will add new record from Shopify. Then click add new record and put cname record, then put www, and from the description below copy this shops.myshopify.com and paste it in the below and click on this select icon. Then click add new record, and this will be a record. So click on a record, and this will be at the rate, and then go to the description and copy this this IP number, go back to Namecheap, paste it in the IP address, click on this select option. Now this will be done. Now go back to Shopify, click on verify connection, click on verify connection again, and now you can see it is already there, but SSL is still pending, which we can connect later. Okay, and this may take up to 24 hours, so just wait 24 hours and your custom domain will be connected. And if there is any issue, reach out to Namecheap or Shopify support if your SSL is not working perfectly.